Let's have ourselves a charting comparison battle where I break down 3 different platforms and view their charts side by side so you can see with your own eyes what they look like, how fast, how slow they are compared to one another. And I'm breaking these down in essentially pricing models from free up to very, very expensive per month. And then, like I said, it'll be up to you. Let your eyes decide in terms of if you think one's faster or slower, better looking, and what have you. And this is definitely for pretty much everybody. If you're a beginner and you've decided that, you know what, I want to be a technical trader, but what platform should I be using? This video will help you out. Maybe you're already a technical trader and you're just wondering, I don't know, is there a better platform out there? Should I maybe be saving some money? Should I maybe actually spend a little more money on a better quality tool? So like I said, this video will address all of that. So I am breaking down 3 platforms as you saw from the title. In the free category, we're gonna have WeBull. In the middle category, we're gonna have TradingView. And then in the top category, we will have eSignal. But to add in a bit more context before we do the comparison visually, let's just assign some prices. So first off, we have eSignal, and the one that you'll be seeing is right here, their signature platform, and a couple different ways to look at it. It's either $204 per month, or if you do it in a 12-month period, it's $1860 total, which breaks down to $155 per month. Our next one, we have TradingView, and you can see their various pricing tiers down here from Pro, Pro Plus, and Premium. And if you do annual, then yes, those prices do change up. But right there, you're looking between $15 a month to $60 per month. And the other one we're doing is WeBull, which is just completely free. So I have no prices to show you other than just saying they're free. In fact, not only are they free, they'll actually pay you money, give you free stock to join and use their platform. And so stick around to the end and I'll show you how you can take advantage of that. But like I said, that one's got a kind of a unique twist because it's free, plus you get something. But like I said, maybe you think that their chart platform looks like garbage. Maybe you think it's too slow. That's where the comparison comes into play. So now let's go and look at these charts side by side. We'll be looking at the 1-minute time frame. So we're going to see a lot of volatility, and we'll be looking at SPY. So it's apples to apples, same time frame, same ticker symbol. So here we are looking at the 3 platforms, and from left to right, we have WeBull, which again is free. Here we have the mid-tier, which let's just call it $60 per month. And then over here we have, unless you buy, we'll just do it per month. This one was $202 per month. And the other dynamic to watch is this right here, the changing prices. Do these match up, or are they off? Does one seem faster than the other? So my circles failed miserably, but you get the idea there. And that is what you should be watching. Does one seem faster than the other? Do they seem in sync? And then of course there's the visual. Which one looks better? Which one do you think suits the eyes? Now, to be fair to each one of these platforms, they're very customizable, so you can make them look different. This is just what I have it set at. So don't put too much into, oh, I like the way that one looks a whole lot better, because you can customize things to an extent. So keep that in mind. But overall, the main dynamic here is just get a overall general view of which ones you like the look of, and then more specifically, how fast are they in tune with the market? Which market is the fast enough one? And what I want to do here is bring over my broker, and now you can see the prices. So this is the official price. So this shouldn't be matching up with whatever is being hit. So right now it should be around 285. And this one's at 83. It should be at 90 or 80. Now it's very hard because this moves very quickly, and feel free to disagree with me because maybe your eyes are different than mine, but it seems as though TradingView is a bit slower, which again is the middle one, but that is open to and you can scroll back and reassess, but it seems as though, because right now, look, that one is at 77. Okay. So there we go. So breakdown. So they all seem to be operating. Okay, look at that. Let's see how it's paused right there. Okay, scroll back and look at TradingView, and this one did pause for just a brief second. Now, to be fair, you might not care about that at all because you may say, Clay, I'm never going to be using the 1-minute time frame. So yeah, that little pause right there, that's okay. But if you are caring about, you need exact data at exact times. Again, look, it's paused. It happened again. Look at that. 67 paused, but this one is moving on around here. Now, I don't know if I've seen any difference between the free one and the I should probably, because F, you know, for us Americans, we see F and we think like bad, like grades. Free, and then this is the $202 one. It seems as though these ones are pretty on par with one another. I'm not going to say exactly because it's, but I mean, look at that, moving. Look, paused again, not moving, not moving. Look at that, okay, yes. So I can say quite confidently that TradingView seems to be slightly slower. Now, it's not like this thing is multiple minutes slow or anything like that, but it does seem to be a bit slower. So I think I've given enough footage there for you to just, and again, you can feel free to scroll back. I like this part of the day because, you know, the SPY is getting some pretty rough action right now, pretty volatile out there, which is giving us some good data here to compare. So we just saw the charting, but I want to do one little bonus, and that is compare level twos. Level twos is essentially a way where you can see the live auction that takes place, because that's what the market actually is. It's an auction. You have buyers, you have sellers, and they're trying to negotiate and find prices, but it's, you know, it's just happening at microseconds in a very, very quick way. And the way that you know, quote unquote, see the auction is what's called level two. And level twos are always a tool that you, I guess I can't say always, but as far as I've seen, you need to always pay a little bit of you know, extra for them. So I want to compare the WeBulls, which is, you know, right around $15 per month, and then look at my broker. But the thing with my broker is, yeah, it's a little less, but my broker Lightspeed, you do actually need $25,000 for an account. So if you don't have $25,000, then what you'll see here is not going to be an option to you. But nonetheless, I still wanted to, and Lightspeed considered a pretty solid, good broker. They're kind of high maintenance. Like I said, you got to have $25,000. So they're more of cream of the crop versus WeBull, which again, totally free, not only free, that they would actually pay you to join. So let's compare those two level twos. So here we are looking at the WeBull level twos, again, right around $15 per month. And then we have my broker. So the question becomes, well, is this number the same as that number at the same time? That's the level two question that you need to be asking for a comparison's sake. So I'm seeing 85. It's very challenging because they change so fast. But from the naked eye, they look very, very similar, if not the exact same right now. Again, this is you're going to have $25,000 in your account for these level twos. This one, about $15 per month. And as always, it's not that you necessarily even need level twos, but while doing charts, I thought I'd throw this in and give you an idea of the level two comparison also, just in case you are a trader that potentially does need level twos within your trading strategy. But as far as I can tell, that the very cheap one, it looks, I'm not going to say the exact same because I don't know for sure, but as far as my naked eye can see, it looks very, very, very similar. So there you have it. I will, like I said, let me know down below, which one do you think looked the best, looked the fastest? Did they look the same? Who do you use? I mean, all that stuff, leave those down below. And then as far as if you did like WeBull, if you're thinking, well, for what I'm looking to do, for my eye's sake, and as my eye's judgment, WeBull looked just as fast, if not, as fast or faster than the other ones. I mean, it was definitely faster than TradingView from what we saw there. But if you think that's the one that you would want to pursue, then like I said, use the link down below and take advantage of this promotion. So like I said, not only are they free, but they're always running promotions and giving stuff away. So you can see right now, at least at the time of this video, but they're always doing this in some form or another. They are giving away free stock. So you sign up and it's quite easy. You open an account, you make a deposit, just got to be $100. And then you receive those free shares. And as far as the deposit, that is a deposit, meaning you can then take that $100 and use it to trade. So it's not a cost, it's just money that you put into your account that you can then go and use to trade it and invest with. And then transparency's sake, that is an affiliate link. So if you do use that link to sign up, take advantage of the promotion, I will also get something. So I want to be clear about that. But yeah, if you want to help out the channel in a very free type of way, then yeah, please use that link and I thank you in advance for it. But that's not why I'm recommending WeBull or anything like that. Like I said, it's up to you. Maybe you think WeBull looked like absolute garbage. Fine, fair enough. I thought they looked good. I thought they put up a fair fight, and especially with those charting platforms side by side by side. But at the end of the day, that is for you to decide. So again, let me know in the comment section, who do you think won the battle. Did one look better than the other? Did one look faster or slower than the other? Maybe you disagree that TradingView was slower. I'm very curious on your thoughts down below. So leave those. And if you'd like for me to try to do maybe any other comparisons, then let me know. But like I said, in my mind, these are the three that make the most sense to me from the free point of view, mid-tier, and then the most expensive. But go out and do what you think is going to work best for you and your strategy. But I hope this video helped. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.